Dear student, what we are looking at today is non-negative integer solutions and a theorem related to that. So theorem specified in a such a way that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 till xr equal to n, which is given by n plus r minus 1, r minus 1. That means we are going to select r minus 1 values from the n plus r minus 1. So what is that formula and what is that consideration we look at it? Let us consider there are r distinct boxes corresponding their values is x1, x2 up to xn. Okay. So what we are going to take n indistinguishable objects over there and we are going to distribute them in these boxes. We consider it as one of the solution of the equation such that number of objects in the boxes is considered as the value of corresponding values. Okay. So what they have mentioned, the number of ways to distribute this such kind of objects in a such a way that n plus r minus 1, r minus 1. Okay. And this is the solution related to the non-negative integer solution. Okay. And which is nothing but the number of ways we are going to select or distributing the n distinguishable objects in the r distinguishable boxes. Okay, there may be chances of some of the boxes could be as a part of empty thing. Okay, so what if you look at closely in this theorem over here, what we consider there are r boxes. Okay, there are r distinct boxes. Okay, and these r distinct boxes have their values like x1, x2, x3 till xn. Okay, we are going to have some variables over there in these r distinct boxes. Now if we take the number of indistinguishable n objects are there and we are going to distribute on these boxes. So what we consider as one of the solution related to that, just mean the I'm going to put up the values over there. Okay. Okay, so in this case we get it the distribution of such a kind of n objects with corresponding these values over there is n plus r minus 1, r minus 1. Okay, this is a kind of non-negative integer solution over there. They mention according to that. Now again we come across the positive integer solutions. The positive integer solution, they mention what they mention x1 plus x2 plus to xr equal to n, which is given by n minus 1, r minus 1. Again they have mentioned that like let us consider there are r distinct boxes corresponding to the values are x1 to x2 x3 and up to xr. Okay, so we can take these indistinguishable objects and we are going to distribute in these boxes of the solution. Okay, so what will they mention over there such that the number of objects in the boxes considered as the values corresponding to their variables. So what we are going to ensure this number of boxes to ensure that there is no box should be empty. There means chances of the empty box over there. To ensure that no boxes should be empty, what we are going to first put up over there, we are going to first put one object to these are R boxes, and then when we can distribute remaining n minus r this in distribution box objects in the boxes. So in this way, what we get the number of ways of distribution like n minus r plus r minus 1, r minus 1, and if we are going to solve that equation, that it's going to calculate as n minus 1, r minus 1. It is one of the method to solve it. Again, they have mentioned another method to related to that. Just like suppose that condition are same as x1 plus x2 up to xr equal to n, and if this condition is satisfied, like these values are greater than or equal to 1. Okay, since it's a positive value, I'm going to expect it as a greater than or equal to 1. So in this case, what we done, I just done a value addition over there as it is related to greater than 1. So I just add 1 over here, x plus 1, x1 plus 1 equal to, I mentioned y1, x2 plus 1 equal to that mentioned as y2 till xn plus 1 equal to as yn. So the equation can be become as y1 minus 1 plus y2 minus 1 till yn minus 1, and the number of objects are n. So what I had done, y1 plus y2 yn, and that values I'm going to calculate as suppose that values are r values, and I'm going to minimize that particular addition of this minus 1 that is going to calculate is on the right hand side, that means n minus r. Okay, so that condition is get satisfied over there, and in this way n minus r plus r minus 1 equal to n minus 1 r minus 1. This is a positive integer solution. See, remember, positive integer solution means we required only positive way. That's why we fulfill the boxes. At least one values over there should be enter over that point. Okay. They mention another method also. Let's consider these are r distinct boxes and variables as x1 plus x2 till xr. Now we are going to take the end individual objects over there and distribute in these boxes. And one of the solution we get it from that. And to get the non-negative solution, we must distribute the identical objects over there so that no boxes should be empty. Okay. There may chances of getting some boxes of empty over in the non-negative integer solution, but here we don't want to get any chances that none of the boxes should be get empty. So in this way we can done it n minus 1 r minus 1 way. Okay, so this is the solution we get it from there. Okay, this is a theorem related to non-negative integer solution as well as positive integer solution.